Some developed countries are already taking steps to end the use of petroleum-driven vehicles as a way of tackling the challenges of climate change. In line with this global trend, the Federal Polytechnic Nekede embarked on a research that has historically produced an indigenous fuel-less electric vehicle, which is attracting the attention of Nigerians.
Looking at this vehicle here, you would think that it's made in China, Malaysia, or any of the Asian tiger countries. But it's made here in Federal Polytechnic Nekede, Owerri, Imo State, Nigeria. Ride with me.
Mr. Chinedu Nwosu is the leader of the engineering team behind this invention. He says the success is a product of months of hard work with financial support from Tertiary Education Trust Fund, TET Fund.
Students were here, they were part of this, IT students and also some of our final year students at a point wanted to even use it as their final year project. We said no. TET Fund was already funding it. So they took part in the metal cutting. We have a laser cutter there. We use those laser cutters to teach them how those metals are cut. They did them themselves, we placed them. Then the arrangements of the wheels, those shock absorbers and the rest of them, they were there when we raised the tires up and they were part of the fixing.
The electric vehicle is made with locally sourced materials which are environmentally friendly and can move 55 to 60 kilometers per hour using charged battery.
That everything is just locally made here, from the design, the construction and everything.
We have other projects that will be attached to this one, because this is one in many areas. The only place we have seen an electric motor that is driven by a battery.
I'm blessed. I'm opportuned to be associated with the management that can do so much, not only for this institution, but also for the entire society.
It's from this school.
We have facilities within the school premises that can enable us to make printed circuit boards. So we harness that avenue to make sure that the electronic, the ECU, the brain box of the vehicle is localized within the school.
I partake in terms of the wedding aspect of it. For the first time in history, we having an electric car in the campus. At least it's kind of a helping hands to the Nigerian student.
I learned a lot of things. Like, it was really good doing it practically. Took part in the welding and metal cutting.
For the rector of Federal Polytechnic Nekede Owerri, Dr. Michael Arimanwa, it was excitement all the way as he feels fulfilled over the invention of fearless vehicle.
We have the funds today. We do many of these in a very short time. Having done the first one, the other ones will be faster, because we already know what to do and how to do it. And I'm hoping that government and other people will key into it so that from Federal Polytechnic Nekede we can begin to go places.
One good thing about this vehicle is that it's noiseless, no emission. The team of engineers that constructed it said that this is the best vehicle to be driven in this era of climate change. In Owerri, Rina Obase, NTA News.